and still be able to play and still have surround sound. So this is what you need to do. See, I'll plug this real quick. See this? This is my Xbox cord, my regular red, white, and yellow cord. Now what you want to do is you want to take the outer casing that was on it, and let me get that other half to it real quick. And I'm going to have it on, and it's on there like this. Well, it's not perfect, but it's on there like this. You want to take something like a screwdriver and tap right on the sides, and it will bust it open. Then you can pull it off. Then you can plug your HDMI right here. And at the same time, you can plug this in. So, okay, you see HDMI. Plug the HDMI in. See, plugged in. Now I'm going to take this, plug it right above it. See, plug it right above it. And then you just take and run your red and white into your surround sound speaker, and then you could take your other half, your yellow one if you want, and plug it into your TV, or you might have surround sound that you can plug it into your TV. You plug it into your the yellow into your surround sound, then just plug your HDMI into your TV, and you're good to go. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.